the ultimate step-by-step guide to buying a home. Don't miss out. Hey there, and welcome back to the Resquared Mortgage channel, where I'm here to help you navigate the home buying process with confidence. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned homeowner, today's video is going to be a game changer. In this video, I'm sharing the ultimate step-by-step guide to buying a home. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on these critical tips. My team and I have helped countless clients right here in California, and now I'm bringing this expertise to you. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the Resquared Mortgage channel and click that bell so you never miss a video. I post content every week that could save you thousands and make your home buying journey a whole lot smoother. Let's start with step 1, and this one is the most important step you'll take. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. If you're serious about buying a home, this is where you begin. Getting pre-approved will tell you how much house you can afford and makes you a stronger buyer in the eyes of the seller. When you're pre-approved, you're showing the seller and your real estate agent that you mean business. It's like having a green light to start your home search. And in competitive California markets, being pre-approved can be the difference between winning or losing a bidding war. Gather your financial documents like tax returns, pay stubs, and bank statements and submit them to your lender. The earlier you get pre-approved, the faster the entire process will be when you're ready to make an offer. Step 2, find the perfect real estate agent. Not all agents are created equal, so make sure you find someone who understands the area where you want to buy and has a strong track record. Having an experienced agent on your side is crucial. A great agent will help you negotiate the best deal, guide you through the process, and have insider knowledge about homes before they even hit the market. It's important to choose someone who understands your needs and works well with you. Remember, your agent should be someone you trust completely to represent your best interest. Ask them about their experience, local knowledge, and how they'll help you find the perfect home in this market. If you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to hit subscribe to the Resquared Mortgage channel and tap the bell for notifications. I post new videos every week to keep you updated on the latest home buying tips, and you don't want to miss them. Step 3, start your home search. Now that you've gotten pre-approved and you have a great agent, it's time to start looking for your dream home. This part is exciting, but it's also where you need to stay focused. When searching, make sure you're clear on what you need versus what you want. Do you absolutely need a third bedroom, or can you make do with 2? Is a big yard essential, or is it just a nice bonus? Create a checklist for your must-haves, deal breakers, and things you're willing to compromise on. This will help narrow your search and make sure you're only looking at homes that fit your lifestyle and budget. Homes are selling fast, so be prepared to act quickly when you find the right one. A good agent will help you stay on top of new listings and guide you through this process. Step 4, make a strong offer. Once you've found the home that checks all the boxes, it's time to work with your agent to make a competitive offer. In competitive markets, a well-structured offer can be the difference between landing your dream home and missing out. Your offer isn't just about the price, it's about terms, things like being flexible with your closing date or offering a larger earnest money deposit can make your offer stand out, even if someone else is offering a bit more. And don't forget to negotiate. This is where your agent's expertise comes into play. They'll guide you through the negotiation, ensuring you're getting the best deal while protecting your interests. Quick reminder, if you haven't yet, hit subscribe and click that bell to stay updated on all things home buying. I've got tons of tips lined up to help you through every step of the process, so don't miss out. Step 5, get a home inspection. Even if everything looks perfect, you need to know what's going on behind the walls. A home inspection will give you peace of mind and can help you avoid costly surprises after you move in. During the inspection, the inspector will evaluate the property's condition and point out any issues, big or small. If something comes up, you can use this as leverage to negotiate repairs or even lower the purchase price. Step 6, finalize your mortgage. Once your offer is accepted, it's time to finalize your financing. This is where my team and I come in as your mortgage broker, making sure everything goes smoothly from here to closing. We'll lock in your interest rate, submit any additional paperwork, and get you one step closer to closing day. Stay in close contact and make sure you're on top of any requests for documents. Step 7, closing day. This is the moment you've been waiting for. At closing, you'll sign all the paperwork to make sure the home is officially yours. Make sure you understand all the documents you're signing. Your agent and lender will walk you through everything. And just like that, you're a homeowner. It's a huge moment, and it's one you'll remember for the rest of your life. My team and I are here to help guide you through the entire process. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more insider tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.